What's up, fam? Rex from Rex's Photo Booth Reviews and Tutorials, reporting from the PBX floor, and I am at the AG Custom Gifts / Shield booth, and this is like the hidden product that a lot of people missed at the show, and we're going to meet the maker, I guess, the manufacturer. It is Mr. Brian Goldberg. Before we get into it, I need you all to do me a favor. Go down below, like, comment, and subscribe. From the Shield,
hi everybody.
DSLR Roamer. Tell us a little bit about the Roamer.
Well, the Shield is it's a very nice DSLR Roamer. Features a customizable powder-coated frame. The actual iPad mount inside is welded to the frame, so your iPad is secure inside. You can use an iPad 12.9 Pro version 3rd through 6th generation, including the new 13-inch iPads.
So this is all, yeah, it is all metal.
All metal.
Feels really nice. No plastic at all.
Yes.
And is there tools? How do you get the iPad in there?
The iPad, you will remove these 2 screws on the front, and then there's 2 crossbars holding your iPad securely inside.
Got it. And then so when you have the iPad inside, it looks like this. And what kind of camera do you recommend?
We recommend the Canon R100.
Nice. And that fits perfectly in the back. So if you want the higher resolution
photos, and it actually comes with the mounting bracket for the iPad as well.
Included.
For the camera as well.
But included. I see 3 different models, or is it all the same model?
All the same. So what we utilized when we built this booth is we utilized the VESA mount bolt pattern that comes on each booth that you purchase.
75 by 75 or 100 by 100.
100 by 100. 100 by 100 is what we put on the back of the booth. What that means is you can utilize any stand, including the ones that you find most commonly available on Amazon. But in this case here at the Expo, we're using a monopod.
Nice.
So this booth is a little bit not on the as lightweight side, but we did come up with a positive solution that allows you to utilize it and take the weight out of your hands and still utilize this booth at your events.
And do you get both handles?
Yes, both handles are included in the box and are removable as well.
Awesome. And how do you charge the iPad while you're roaming?
The iPad, we charge utilizing a multi-port USB hub. When you do purchase the booth from us, we provide you a link with all the additional accessories that we do not sell but are easily accessible online. Basically, we did all the homework for you, so we provide all those sources to you.
Yeah, show us all the different uses here, and talk to us a little bit about the branding, because I think the branding is really cool.
So what's different here is that utilizing this powder-coated front-face frame, you can customize, get custom
wraps. Yeah, skins. Very nice.
Custom skins, so we can utilize if you're doing an 80s party, if you're doing a kids party, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle.
Yeah, how much are these though?
The wraps range about $15 plus shipping, and we'll even provide you the vendor who does our wraps for us.
So they have the template and everything.
Yes,
ready
absolutely,
to go.
And they're able to market it, and this looks really great to market towards your corporate level clients.
Okay,
and
so
again,
we saw the monopod version, the roaming version first.
Correct.
With the Visa. Tell me about this model here.
This one is our tabletop model. Again, utilizing the VESA mount bolt pattern.
Nice.
We actually purchased this stand that actually came with the mount.
How much is the stand?
The stand is only $23. You don't need to
spend
Amazon?
A lot.
From Amazon.
Nice.
You don't need to spend a lot of money on the mount.
So if you want to do a tabletop after
you can roam around,
yep.
Come back, put the booth at your event. Now, what's really nice about these lights as well, they are powered by the easily accessible Sony
batteries.
Sony batteries. So
the
you
MP
can either power
batteries.
it with the Sony batteries, or if you're at your event, you could also comes with the included power adapter as well.
So you could do AC.
You can do AC as well. And what we actually did here at the Photo Booth Expo, all 3 days this week, we powered the booth off our EcoFlow. We do not sell those, but we powered everything here off batteries the entire time.
Yeah. So tell us about this setup. This got the alien bees, the umbrella.
So what's really nice about the R100, it does have a hot shoe on top of that camera. So we utilize a hot shoe with a sync cord adapter. We'll tap here into the top of the camera and run the sync cord right here into our alien beast. So we really get that
nice lighting,
the nice glow on the people's face when
Only when you're
the booth.
using it as a photo booth.
Absolutely.
Right, so this is a roamer, and then how do we convert it to a photo booth? Yeah, that's what everybody wants
As
to
a
know.
photo booth. Again, Amazon will provide the link for $20. You can get this bracket, also a Visa mount.
Yes.
Clips right there, and we actually have this attached to a gravity stand.
Yeah. Very
So actually
nice.
an added bonus as well. Let's say you're not a DSLR user or you don't want to utilize your DSLR. This is a magnetic stainless steel faceplate. So you can attach a magnet to cover the circle for the camera if you want to utilize it as an iPad booth only. So you do have options. Instead of leaving this hole open, you could cover it up with a magnet. You can even do a magnet with your logo on it, and you could utilize it as an iPad booth.
Very good. So you guys got the monopod, DSLR roamer, so you get the high quality. You can also use the Shield roamer as a tabletop, and you can do roaming and then come back and then attach it to the table stand. And what I think is really cool is he has it set up as a photo booth here with flash, so you get the high quality photos, but you're also able to print wirelessly at the same time.
Yes, yes.
So tell us, so obviously people aren't at the show, how can they get a hold of you? How do they get this?
They can find this on agcustomgifts.com, or you can give me a phone call directly. My phone number is 408-315-4573. I can be reached via phone call or text message. Now, it's also real unique about these booths. How are you going to transport it to your event? They come in this really nice bag, zipper.
You have to buy it?
Comes with the booth.
Included.
Included.
Right? So I see on the sign, it says retail price is $9.99. So what is the show price?
$6.99.
Nice. And you
Nice.
will honor that price for how long?
We'll order that price for the next week.
Oh, how about till the end of March?
Sure, let's do it till the end of March. That sounds
All
great.
right.
Now, also, one last thing,
Yes.
folks. When you mount this iPad horizontal, the iPad is going sideways. We don't want to break your iPads. We include also a 90-degree adapter, so you can plug this directly into the side of your iPad and still run your power cord vertically, so you don't put the added stress on going horizontally into your iPad.
All right.
So we did all the homework and think all this through for you.
That's fantastic. And you know, Rex's Photo Booth reviews and tutorials is not a tutorial without a bonus hack. Show us the machining and how easy it is to take the iPad in and out without tools, right? That's what you're bragging about.
No tools.
Show us how it's done. So you have 2 thumb screws, all machined. Where is it made?
Made in the USA.
Where are you located?
Hollister, California.
So these are machined, and oh wow, it's really nice. So you have the
So
2
all
bars.
the brackets are welded on. Your iPad will be held in securely, and we
Right.
also include cushions on the back of the bracket so your iPad will not be damaged.
Nice. And then on this side,
All the holes, everything perfectly aligns up. Your iPad front faceplate aligns perfectly with these brackets and will light flush.
and then these are the Visa mounts.
Visa
and
mount, and this
even
is-
though the back, I think, is acrylic, right? But
Correct.
the front is made out of metal.
Correct.
You still have the bolts and the washers so that
Correct.
you don't get any flex on that Visa mount bracket.
Absolutely. Now, what's really nice also about the camera mount, you don't need any tools to remove your camera mount.
Oh,
Again, we
very
include
cool.
the hardware as well. Your screw is also included.
And that's a thumb. Yeah, that's
is a
very
thumb
nice.
screw, and you don't lose it. And this will go inside the bag, inside the box as well.
Dude, that's
Everything will go
awesome.
right inside.
Awesome. Thank you, Brian.
Thank you,
We
Rex.
love the Shield, made in the USA, DSLR Roamer. Tell them once again where they can find it.
agcustomgifts.com, or give me a phone call or text message 408-315-4573.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a great show.